Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to explain how to cancel your flight in Ryanair. Now, Ryanair, by default, doesn't really have a cancellation option. So as you can see here, if you try to refund because you canceled, they tend to not be refundable. So if your flight operated and you didn't travel, you're not entitled to a refund. You may have valid reasons for deciding not to travel, but their business model is simple. We don't offer refunds to people who don't travel because of seat you booked has operated empty in your absence. So the seat that you bought is not refundable. Nobody can use it. It is not refundable. You cannot cancel your flights pretty practically, right? So again, you gotta make sure, like, even if it's an emergency, I mean, maybe as you can see, there are instances when Ryanair can cancel your flight, fail to operate the flight reasonably. So the only way to cancel flights and you get your refund is if it's in their side of things, if it's uh their, I guess, activities that made the flight canceled. But if you're just going to cancel your flight, whether or not it's a legitimate reason or not, it doesn't really suit their plan. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.